As the first golden rays touched Rourkela, the city slowly awakened. But inside one quiet home, a simple day was about to become kindness and love. Today, they would make something special. But before the cooking could begin, a few simple ingredients had to be brought home. Through the familiar morning streets of Rourkela, he set out to gather everything they would need. He began with the most important ingredients: fresh milk and raw sugar. Fresh lemons and a little cardamom were all that remained. With everything they needed finally home, the quiet work of making the sweet could begin. For a traditional Kalakand, there was no shortcut. The journey began with simple milk, slowly transformed by time and gentle heat. Then came the moment that gives Kalakand its beautiful, delicate grain. A little lemon juice gently transformed the warm milk. Now, patience became the most important ingredient. The gentle heat slowly reduced the moisture, bringing the milk solids together. As the milk solids grew richer and thicker, a little raw sugar and fragrant cardamom brought the sweet closer to its final form. At last, the long wait had come to an end. Soft, grainy, and still wonderfully moist, the Kalakand was ready to rest and set. The sweet was ready at last. But before they could taste it, there was one place it belonged first. Before sharing this sweetness with anyone else, they offered it first to the Lord they held in their hearts. The offering had been made. Now, the sweetness would travel beyond their home, to someone who might need a little kindness today. Together, they carried the sweetness of their morning into the heart of the city. At the old age home, their little offering was about to become a moment of shared happiness. They came not as strangers bringing charity, but as neighbors bringing something made with love. A sweet made that morning now carried something even sweeter: the joy of being shared. For a moment, there was no giver or receiver, only people sharing a little sweetness together. And before they left, they received something no recipe could ever create: a blessing filled with warmth.
With grateful hearts and an almost empty container, they began their journey home.
And as the familiar streets led them home, the sweetness they had shared stayed with them. Back home, the day had grown quiet again. But there was still a little sweetness waiting for them. After sharing what they had made, only a little remained. And sometimes, the simplest moments are the sweetest ones. The sweet was gone, but the meaning of the day remained. Perhaps the sweetest is not what we keep for ourselves, but what we share with love. And with grateful hearts, their simple day came to a peaceful end.